5.25a minus a square. Bring everything on one side, so it becomes a square plus 10.5a minus 25 equals to 0. So 10.5a and 25. So how to solve this? So a square plus 12.5a minus 2 minus 25 equals to 0. Factors 12.5 minus 2 is 10.5 and 12.5 into 2 is 25. Okay, we and plus sign you adjust it. So a plus here when the coefficient of a first term is 1, you directly get these as the factors. So a plus 12.5 into a minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, therefore a plus 12.5 equals to 0 or a minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore a equals to minus 12.5 or a equals to 2. But what is a? A is speed of the water. Can the speed be negative? 12.5 minus 12.5? No. So therefore this is gone, this remains. So speed of the water is 2. So speed of the stream is 2 kph. That's what the answer is required. Next, rupees 6,500 were equally divided among certain number of persons. If there had been 15 more persons, each one would have got rupees 30 less. Find the original number of persons. Simple. It seems to be difficult, but problem is simple. Number of persons, say x. Total amount is what? 6,500. So each one will get what? 6,500 upon x. Okay, this much is okay. Okay. Now if there were 15 persons more, then what? Each one will get what? 6,500 upon x plus 15, right? Okay. Now what is given? Each one would have got 30 rupees less. It means this upon x what each one is getting and upon x plus 15 what each one is getting, the difference between them is 30 rupees. Obviously the first one 6,500 upon x is bigger than 6,500 upon x plus 15, right? So solve this. 6,500 upon x equals to 6,500 upon x plus 15 equals to 30. Remove the zeros, then you get 650 upon x minus 650 upon x by 15 equals to 3. Solve this. So cross this. 650 into x plus 15. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.